Hi, my name is Michaela Patton and I am 15 years old and I am a member of the Barrington Dance Ensemble. I am thankful that BDE has awarded me a Patricia Whitmore Scholarship for my summer dance study. My goal is to go on to study dance in college and have a professional career as a dancer. I want to thank everyone who has supported me and BDE. Some of the things I like most about being an ensemble member are getting to train under some of the best teachers there are and to better my technique in a professional but positive atmosphere and also have fun. So, I'd like to say thank you again to all BDE supporters and who have given me these opportunities.
Right now, I'm especially thankful that Barrington Dance Ensemble continues to offer online rehearsal opportunities for all of their company dancers, and that we are still able to take classes online through Barrington Dance Academy. I'm also grateful for the opportunity to meet virtually with award-winning professional dancers and choreographers. I am so thankful for everyone who has supported BDE. It's so great to continue to meet with my teachers and my friends. My favorite thing about being an ensemble member is being able to perform at BDE's Fall Gala. I'd like to send a special thank you to all of BDE's supporters who have given me these opportunities. My name is Corinne Garles, I'm 13 years old, and I'm a member of the Barrington Dance Ensemble.
Hi, my name is Danny Naranjo. I'm 14 years old and I'm a member of the Barrington Dance Ensemble. I am so grateful to be studying at the Barrington Dance Academy under a scholarship from the Rusty Hernandez Boys Scholarship Fund. I am so grateful that BDE supporters have given me these opportunities. Some things I like most about being an ensemble member are being able to dance with my sister, my friends, learning new choreography, and having fun. Thank you again to all of BDE supporters who have given me these opportunities.